So there is an incredible new AI feature that can create entire character vlogs, documentaries, and explainer videos with consistent characters all within minutes. Videos like these have gained millions of views across different social media platforms, and you can create them with a few clicks and in minutes instead of hours and days. I have had access to this, and after testing it for the past week, I can honestly say that this gives ability to create viral videos with consistent characters in any style they want. And what's actually crazy is that you only need one image of a character to create an entire video. Stick around and I'll show you exactly how to create these viral videos or short stories using just a single image, your own music, or even a simple text prompt. And the results will definitely impress a lot of people. So what makes this update so special? Well, OpenArt Stories offers 4 completely different ways to create videos that used to take a lot of time when done manually, even for people who were comfortable with using AI tools and models. Now we can create character vlogs, music videos, explainer videos, and even use a full editor to customize everything, giving us the ability to add that manual touch, which is often the difference between a good AI video and a bad one. But what really makes this stand out is that you can create consistent characters and entire storylines using just one reference image. Let me show you exactly how this works. You can find the link in the description below if you want to try it out for yourself. Let's start with character vlogs. Watch this. I'm uploading this single image of a woman that I generated using the Flux model, and let's say I want her to explore the city of Kyoto in Japan. You can choose from pre-made characters or upload your own. You can also write your own prompt or choose one of these topics like shopping, spa day, make pizza, traveling, or gaming. And look at these AI models. You get access to Kling 2.1, Minimax, and even Seedance. So the default is set to Kling and is usually the best one, so you do not have to change anything here. And here is what we got. Look at the consistency of the character. Same character, and it actually resembles what parts of Kyoto looks like. Here is another one I did with a younger character and in 2D cartoon style, discovering the city of Santorini. In this one, I uploaded this image of a steampunk girl character, and it made an entire video of her cooking with some really interesting scenes, including a friendly owl in the same style. A lot of tools have a problem with various styles, and even though there might be some errors sometimes, in this one it does actually follow the style of your reference image for the final video and keep a consistent style throughout the video. Even characters like Labubu work perfectly. The consistency is actually insane considering that we're only using a single image as a reference. Moving on to the music video feature, this is where things get really interesting. You can upload your own songs here, choose one of the recommended ones inside of OpenArt, or paste the song link directly from Suno. And then we get to choose between 3 mods: style for visualizers, story for narrative videos, and sing mode that's still in beta. And let's start with that one. So here is the one I did using the sing mode with the steampunk girl from earlier.
Sunrise paints the city blush, footsteps keeping time with hush, ideas sparking in the air, every breath a flare, make wonders with open art, turn small sparks into works of art, make wonders with open art, light the world from the inside out.
Remember that this is still in beta, but there is the ability to have lip sync for the song use, and remember that you can use your own song and have the characters sing it in the video. Crazy times we are living in. For explainer videos, I created a short documentary about the invention of the wheel. You can write your own script or use their AI to generate the script and polish everything for you. There are 7 different visual styles from photorealistic to animation and cyberpunk. If you don't like any of these, you can pick custom from the options and write the style you prefer. The AI handles the voiceover, visuals, and everything. Here is the one I made about the invention of the wheel, choosing the photorealistic video style.
Thousands of years ago, in humanity's first cities, moving goods was backbreaking work. Workers dragged stone blocks and baskets over rough ground, using time and energy. One day, someone noticed how logs rolled smoothly beneath a heavy slab. That simple observation sparked experiments with round shapes, and the wheel was born. Carved from solid wood, the first wheels turned crude sleds into swift carts, opening new trade routes. Soon ox-drawn wagons and thundering chariots became the engines of growing empires. From that humble circle came gears, turbines, and the wheels that drive our modern world. The wheel reminds us that a single idea can set history in motion.
Now, I know that these videos can be better if you had more control over the various scenes, and that's why they have released these together with the video editor. So you have full control over every second of the video. And here is how it works. You can pick any of the videos that you created, click on edit, and using the timeline and the AI tools, you can replace, regenerate, and create entire new scenes for your video. If you have used any video editing software before, this will feel familiar. You can drag and drop new scenes into the timeline and adjust the length of each scene with a few clicks. All of these are inside the same platform. I have been using OpenArt for months to create consistent characters for various projects, and this stories update just made everything 10 times easier. If you want to try this out for yourself, I'll put the link to OpenArt in the description below, and if you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe, for I am about to release new content more frequently, so make sure you do not miss out. Click this video to see how I create consistent characters from scratch the hard and real way using AI, or this one to learn about the best AI video tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.